So today I'm going to take you with me while I cook dinner. There's Sal. Okay, so for today's dinner we're gonna need some meat cut up, some chicken bouillon, cut up potatoes, some tomatoes, some garlic, and some serrano peppers, garlic salt, and some oil. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a bigger size pan on medium. Add some oil. And then we're going to add our garlic. Okay, so I just added 2 cloves of garlic, and then I'm going to add 2 serrano peppers. And then let those cook. Just make sure not to burn your garlic. Okay, after it looks like this, you're going to want to add your tomatoes. And cook those down. Sweets, are you helping me cook? Okay, now that you have a soupy consistency, you're gonna add your meat. So you're gonna add your meat and cook it till it's almost all the way through. Add some garlic salt, even though I'm almost out. So the meat is almost cooked through. The red stuff is the tomatoes. So when it's almost cooked through, we're going to add our potatoes. And I cut them thinly so they cook faster. So we're going to add those. Stir them in. Okay, after adding the potatoes, we're going to add some water. To cover almost all of the meat and potatoes, and then we're going to add some chicken bouillon. It depends on how much you like. After adding the chicken bouillon, you're gonna bring it to a boil, and then you're going to want to cover it. Okay, after it's brought to a boil, we're gonna bring it down and put the lid on. So occasionally you're gonna take off the lid and stir it so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. And you also want to taste test the juice to see if you put enough of the chicken bouillon. And if you didn't, just add some more. Okay, so everything else is done. The only thing that I'm waiting for is for the potatoes to get soft. So that's why I just have it boiling and then add the lid back and then just wait for the potatoes to get soft. Okay, so once the potatoes are done, you can serve like this, but my potatoes are almost done. So I'm gonna leave the lid off because Sal likes this to be not as watery, more of a thicker, I guess you could say, consistency. So for the last little bit that the potatoes need, I'm gonna leave the lid off. Okay, so now it's finished and I just top it with sour cream and eat it with tortillas.